Capturing Critters in Lembeh workshop is for underwater photographers of all experience levels. Sometimes people say, well, I'm really experienced. Why should I go to something like this? I will promise you that we all will learn. We're here to share. We're here to share our insights, our experience, our techniques, and to help you improve your skill level. And we're always learning. There is no finish line in underwater photography. Hi, I'm Marty Snyderman. I've been an active underwater photographer, an image maker, explorer of the ocean for the last 5 decades. And over that period of time, I've certainly received my share, probably more than my share, of accolades and awards. But what I really enjoy doing is teaching and sharing my experience. I like to think my insights with other people that maybe haven't had the same experiences I've had. I'm an old school photographer, no doubt about it. The thing that floats my boat photographically is I love to document wildlife behavior. I really focus on finding animals, finding behavior, and capturing the exact moment that really reveals or shares that behavior in a single image.
I'm James Emery, underwater photographer and backscatter marketing media manager. So I have spent 12 years working in Southeast Asia as a photo pro and previously worked here at Lembeh Resort. For me, underwater photography is all about light. I treat the underwater world like it's my own studio, where I can shape light, place it where I please, and even color it to create images that truly stand out. Wherever that's using cutting-edge techniques or testing out new lighting equipment. This is what keeps me getting in the water, dive after dive. What's unique about Capturing Critters is it brings together world-class photo pros like myself and Marty Snyderman and the experience from the pros at Lembeh Resort. I love doing workshops here at Lembeh Resort. We have some of the best dive guides in the whole world, and the facilities at the resort are outstanding. We have an authorized backscatter photo center here, so if anything goes wrong, they've got you covered.
The Lembeh Strait is an ideal setting to hold a workshop like Capturing Critters. The diversity of marine life is just mind-boggling. The dive sites are very close to the resort. The guides are excellent. So the opportunity to find a great variety of creatures, to document different behaviors, it's just going to blow your mind.
I'm really excited to be back here at Lembeh Resort for the 13th edition of Capturing Critters Photography Workshop. So if you want to up your macro game and get some unique macro images, join us for Capturing Critters 2027. Click the link below and we hope to see you there.